Today we'll be taking a look at the radiological survey meter, item number CDV V-717 Model 1, made by Victorian Instrumentation Co., Cleveland, Ohio.
I would like to take this time to invite you to my Discord server, where you can ask questions about the general sciences and videos, and have input on upcoming videos.
Opening up, we see a 1 D-cell battery, which powers the whole entire unit. The carrying strap for putting around your shoulder. A cardboard piece to separate carrying strap and battery. The manual. And finally, the instrument. The Victorian CDV V-717 Model 1 portable monitoring instrument measures gamma radiation dose rates as high as 500 roentgens per hour. It is designed to be used in radiological civil defense personnel in determining radioactive contamination levels that may result from an enemy attack or nuclear disaster. The instrument is insensitive to beta rays lower than 2 million electron volts in energy. The instrument may be operated as a handheld portable type survey instrument when all the case sections are locked together, or the bottom section of the case may be removed and a 25-foot triaxial cable employed to allow remote operation of the ion chamber detector. The ionization chamber is hermetically sealed to eliminate changes in sensitivity due to changes in air pressure resulting from altitude changes, temperature changes, and moisture effect. A 25-foot triaxial cable is stored on the removable spool directly behind the ionization chamber to allow remote operation of the chamber from the instrument. Use of the cable increases the time required for a similar response, but does not otherwise alter the instrument's characteristics. The bottom section of the case housing the ionization chamber is removed for remote operation. The instrument is housed in a die-cast aluminum 3-part case with a cast cantilever handle keyed and bolted in place. Carrying straps, hooks, and the zero knob guard are permanently molded in. The nameplate and control knob information is indelibly engraved into the top case. Draw-pull catches serve to fasten 3 of the case sections together. Water tightness is ensured by closing cellular sponge rubber gaskets between the case sections. The instrument is operated with the bottom case removed. The batteries is housed in the high-impact resistant plastic case, which cannot be corroded by leaking battery fluids. However, metal parts may be corroded. The battery box is designed to mechanically selective to that battery and cannot be inserted backwards. The instrument is approximately 9 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, 7 inches high, The instrument is approximately 9 inches long, 4.5 inches wide, 7 inches high, excluding the handle. The instrument weighs about 5 1/4 pounds and will float in water. The CDV V-717 is meant to be used if there was a nuclear attack or a nuclear disaster, as a remote detection unit or a handheld detection unit. To deploy the remote detection unit, the bottom case is opened and split. Then the cable is unwound to your length that you need. Then it is attached to the one ionization chamber. Then it is attached back to the circuits. And then you can read the measurements when turning it on. It is like the CDV V-711 in the fact that you can do remote survey. Then once you're done, you just spool the cable back up and put the Geiger counter or radiological survey meter back together. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, post them down in the comments. If you like what I do, consider subscribing, and if you like the video, like it. And while you're waiting for a new video next week to come out, try watching some of my other ones. I have some interesting concept covering some other civil defense gear.